A special thank you to Ms. Voigt who gave me this idea through a TED Talk video and to all my Electron participants.
Hi, today I'm going to be doing a presentation on electric circuits. An electric circuit is a pathway made of wires that electrons can flow through. A power source or a battery supplies the force or voltage that makes the electrons move. A circuit conveniently sounds like a circle. A circuit needs to be circular to work. In order for the electrons to go out and come back, the wires have to go from the power source to the device and out and back again. When there is an unbroken path on which the electrons flow, it is called a complete circuit. This unbroken path that the electrons flow is called a closed circuit. For example, a light bulb will not light unless there is a closed circuit. In addition, electricity will follow the path of the least resistance. Resistance is a material tendency to resist the flow of charge or current. When electrons move against the opposition of resistance, the electrons will move more slowly because friction is generated. I also wanted to talk about the basics of parallel circuits. A parallel circuit is one with several different paths for the electricity to travel. To begin with, voltage is equal across all components in a parallel circuit. Secondly, contrary to a series circuit, the total resistance of a parallel circuit is not equal to the sum of resistors. In fact, the total resistance in a parallel circuit is actually less than any of the individual resistances. Lastly, the total current in a parallel circuit is equal to the sum of the individual branch currents. This is because as you add more and more branches to the circuit, the total current will increase, proven by Ohm's law, which states that the lower the resistance, the higher the current.
The last thing I want to discuss is capacitors. What is a capacitor? A capacitor is a device that stores electrical charge. It consists of two conductive plates and is separated by an insulator. The capacitor's capacitance, or variable C, is a measure of how much voltage appears across the plates in a given charge degree. And with this, we come up with a new equation, yay, in which C equals Q divided by V. So in essence, a capacitor is kind of like a battery, although they work in completely different ways, both to store electrical energy.
This presentation was made based off of the idea of using dance as opposed to PowerPoints to teach. Thank you to everybody who was involved in making this presentation.